In this video, we will show you how to change Windows 11 lock screen wallpaper. You know, lock screen is the background when we sign out on our Windows 11 and yet to sign in. The background usually using automatically from Microsoft, but we can customize the background that we want to use, like the image or slideshow. Okay, how to do that? We can change our background wallpaper on Windows 11. First, you need to sign in and make sure you are administrator on your Windows 11. After that, we can click settings. Please find settings in the search button here and select settings. Then select personalization. Okay, you can see this is the personalization. Actually, for the personalization, you can using right click on the desktop, okay, like this, and select personalize. It's also the same step. Then select lock screen. In here, you can see the personalize for our lock screen is using Windows Spotlight. It means the Windows 11 will download the background for our lock screen from Microsoft server. Okay, you can select picture if you have your own picture to set as background, or you can using slideshow if you have more than one picture or you have many picture in one folder. Okay, let's see if we are using picture. Then in here we can click browse. For example, let's see. Okay, I don't have any picture. I will download first. I will download car wallpaper in here. And for example, I will download this and set for our, okay, we cannot directly download because the extension is you can see WEBP here, so we need to download manually. Okay, let's understand in here and click download. After that, we can see our picture has been downloaded successfully. I can close my browser, then back into lock screen, select browse photos in here and select download, and in here you can see our lock screen will set into this photo, choose picture. Okay, now we can try to close this. Let's sign out in here. Click sign out on your profile. Voila, now your wallpaper has been changed successfully. If you want to more than one picture, you can using slideshow options. Okay, in the slideshow options, there is perfect if you have the interesting wallpaper for more than one image. We right click and choose personalize again and select lock screen. And in here, if you select slideshow, it's the same, but it's contain the folder. So it means if you have more than one wallpaper, you can select slideshow here, and then the wallpaper will animate in the certain duration. And that's all. I will select just as picture and select this as my lock screen wallpaper, and hope this video helpful for you.